crew, today's video will be a hash brown casserole, and here are the grits we'll be using. We have shredded hash browns, we have cream of chicken, cream of celery, 1 stick of butter, we have onions, green, red, and orange bell peppers, and we have hot ground Italian sausage. If you're new to the channel and seeing this, please subscribe to the channel. Click the bell, set post notifications to all. That way you're notified when I upload a video. Like and comment on the videos. Let's get into this video. Alright crew, so we're going to brown our hot Italian sausage. And make sure that you cook it until there's no pink showing. You don't want to eat this raw. And I promise y'all, even though it's spicy, it's not hot. The condensed soup from the chicken and the mushroom tones down the spiciness, and it was really good. So once I cooked it, I drained it. Then I went in with my bell peppers and my onions, and I sauteed those for a couple minutes. And after that, I went back in with my Italian sausage, and I allowed it to cook maybe 3 or 4 more minutes. Then I turned it off, took it off the heat, and I put the top on it, and I allowed that to simmer without any heat. Okay, so moving right along, I took 1 stick of butter, and it's salted butter because I didn't add a lot of salt into this dish. And if y'all don't see that, I just splashed myself with hot butter, and baby, when I tell you it burned, it burned. But yeah, so I melted a whole stick of butter. Then I went in with my cream of chicken and my cream of mushroom soup, and I just allowed this to combine really well. And I took that off the heat also. I didn't cook it through. Alright, so we're going to take 2 bags of the shredded hash browns. And yes, I started in this small bowl. And I thought I had enough room, but I did. So I had to get one of the big boy pans. And then I went in with 2 cups of cheese. And I mixed it well. And then we're going to skip to the next part where you'll see that I had the pan. Because like I said, I couldn't get both bags of the shredded hash browns into one bowl, and I didn't want to make no mess on the countertop. So here go the pan, and here go me adding the rest of our hash browns into the pan. Alright, so we're going to go in with sausage with the bell peppers and the onions. Then we're going to mix it really well. Alright, we're going to go in with our condensed soup mix. In total, it was 2 cans of cream of celery and 1 can of cream of chicken. Okay, so we're gonna season our breakfast casserole. I had 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of white pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 2 teaspoons of onion powder. So all you're gonna do is spray your pan with some non-stick spray, and then you're gonna add your casserole in there, flatten it out, top it with cheese, put it in the oven, cover it with aluminum foil at 350 degrees for 55 minutes. Then you're gonna take the foil off, put it back in the oven under the broiler at 500 degrees for 5 more minutes.
But I don't know how to get through to you, because you don't seem to know that you are everything a girl could dream of. Baby, won't you hear me?
I just took it out the oven, and I'm giving y'all that famous close-up. Then it's going back in the oven once again under the broiler at 500 degrees for 5 more minutes. Alright, crew, so our casserole is ready, and I'm about to take a piece out for y'all. And when I tell y'all, it was super creamy, it was delicious, the flavors were on point. Ain't nothing better than this breakfast casserole right here. Y'all gotta try it. Look at that. Shout out to Queen for holding the camera for me, and she gonna try to tell y'all how it is. Tell them how it is, baby.
Oh my God, I wasn't expecting that. Oh, that's good, y'all. It's creamy. You can taste all of the veggies, the seasoning, the meat perfectly seasoned, the hash brown, the cheese. I don't know what all he put in it because I wasn't in here. But do you have celery in here? Cream of chicken?
Cream of celery.
Cream of celery. Celery. And some, you can taste the chicken flavor, but it's creamy.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
I got red, orange, and green bell peppers with chopped onions.
I can taste the vegetable. None of it is overpowering. It's just like, it's like a creamy lasagna, but instead of using the lasagna noodles, you got the hash browns. That's the best way I can explain this, y'all. It's good.
Alright, crew, so that's gonna conclude our video. I hope y'all like this video. Don't forget to thumbs up and comment on this video. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Click the bell, set post notifications to all. And y'all already know the saying, pops out. Cool it is.